can I say Ghanaians have very little patience for profligacy, showmanship, and discipline, and lack of seriousness. Legacy, showmanship, and discipline, and lack of seriousness. I mean, video need to continue so. Now, I'm not and after 2017, time President Kufuor the win here, no. The man can get 120 ministers, 50 buofu. Oh, the next time near you be 100 buofu. Kakran, and a good way on the tekoye. Nana de bia mbejina we bejo ze bia mama kwa miska de bia mekasa na hwe ni dimina papa ne se na na hwe ne kasa ne bibia utimu se aso kwasofudie refined nana they say ne charge ni nyina ye mumu Ghana fo muntie Ghana fo asem monka no kore nkyere wom mi hu ne ntana na supporters no so mu kire bio nana papa no mo so mo mpene no se ye man we no kwajo sabe e bia journals ye mo ankrofo ye mo boy bi o mo profile nkyere wom o macho man na gina on can differentiate between income tax and normal tax betimi aye and Ghana ye what top 4 accounting auditing firms KPMG ka ho obi a way adwuma was any of the top 4 accounting firms or rise by senior partner no se be wonya kwase ampani ebia wunima pick your phone and Google KPMG Ghana your top 4 accounting firms Deloitte KPMG and Ernst & Young near there nana onya de nkonta nya adwuma yes the best in the world why adwuma over 20 years a senior partner who macho man na wo koyesa no ama amanfo buafu part no corporate income tax otiase ontiase and I see and when I come Facebook say who supporter no mandate de ama Mahama no ontiase en John Mahama Nhyira FM ne John Mahama komu no unkom so opportunity to be say GR give him the benefit of the doubt say nipa no corner wan koya dia then you can criticize the man. But say why macho man akotamo to say wo twen papa no so beba dwumam na why da bi why na den so wo fudi a ana na omko jubilee house say jubilee house e bo papa ni di eti ko jubilee house say anya papa na me sorry ya na ko general head office o koya dwuma na akokwa meboa so go to the appointing authority. Let's give President Mahama the benefit of the anya year okay then you're right. Now me call back to Amidi there and say the Ghanaian people little what patience for profligacy, showmanship and discipline. And we are discipline.
The video na there to a Basantali office no. Wah. No no you President John Mahama crank abi.
No John Mahama first day we say. John Mahama first day we say. Oh okay.
For video to order.
And an animal no make catch be say be ye jakora ntimi na traffic light. Okay, I think na back. O ma me ha, o papa ha. No make can say no moko. But dey be am say posterity will judge us. Cause once no problem me you can no and pe one will be tested me. The man central. Because say kwakwa adman no baby. Na last you di matema so marry. So per where we sit and the information they have, the friendships we have, we ordinarily will know more than you. So give the president the benefit of the doubt. Nana President Mahama ko Kenya no hene ntora age no kra nana hu ni papa bi edi na chi omo no so o koye wa ye keke adwuma nyo ne first person we if so say okay omo ti ase na make us a good way low. The NDC doesn't have 6 million card bearing members or supporters. NDC form more card omo 6 million. So if 6 million vote for you must know that a huge percentage and conform yes sympathizes and they sympathize with the MPP at several instances. Obu Women's Development Bank na ye na kono obu anya Mahama kom no na ye na kono obu wa Prof General yo oba kendo so na ye na kono kotuma NDC and non trust we NDC ni. So whatever you do no nana modesty how na do so you main minister for education or co-office no or the BBC koye main minister for education no or BBC koye yenye se na no bia ba minister bia ba no akasa okọ bi say ya ye be survive o man we serious na be basically con ma data kakra me nyama anya kokwa currently kojo your unemployment. And now kind of Frank Mami who in the veteran, brilliant minister. Koyon says national unemployment 14.7, Ashanti region is 16 point something percent. Next Ashanti region was a national average, you know. Ashanti region baboon on 5K, 3K, 2K. Surround upon no benya baby akwakoye dwuma discussion about that's the most important thing. So go and create meaningful jobs. And akwadwo catch you say here say you film porto. Say 3 months na omo be dem demonstration na dan 20 ameka o and you film forestry, you film trees, you film say anyama na yejai. Let's create meaningful viable jobs for the youth. MPP ni work be kwadwuma. Na na hembe bebre esu bebre omo ye na because ekufo de na ma na adwuma NDC abey obe film. Na na then etu adwuma na ye create no rotational jobs 4 years na wasesem na yaba ti ono so 4 years so ya no so kotobo on admo ko say nipa ni fro no so ba. These are not sustainable jobs. Let's create meaningful jobs for the Ghanaian people. Another statistic, and currently multi-dimensional poverty nearly 8 million. Young Crawford Ghana ha koduba bi omo dan shed. You can say so. That is what bas entirely you for omo koye. Maybe you can so dey abom say NEIP. Na no mu nyina mago former candidate whom no kopement organizer and crowd no so called Ghana Enterprise Agency. Nana they say omo nyina omo young people ye daach no omo na scorecard. Go and make meaningful impact. Because President Nana John Mahama point on me I do be na me am hye kakra as a mebu ne doso but we don't know what they have and I say third there no one guy only 40 years Edmond Court he come word that small boy no so go and make meaningful but so showmanship no kwadwo ye twam mo we need this man match soloku ya dia ewie si there ye bold na do office na me hu MP there na mani age lawyer Judy Tamako na no to team strategically
simple fato so my simple one who did the be
na no so Ekopoku unu mza no ade Ekopoku or to on the department Ekopoku beautiful 100 degrees so no we share the head of department on kasa nice sa showmanship ni we no etwam campaign ya wie da etwam ya wie da etwam. So they should divide the omuma youth nti omonka enjoy kwakwo ni me makase MPP NDC ne wo sesia omo anya careful nana the good one no be contem good one no content na Ghana for start so omo kasa the mistakes beba because nana say pressure na start say ba ade anya say John Mahama ye kra na okoye. So let's just give people room to operate. They me treatro ya 175 state agencies joint ventures ne ade obi benya ba bia hye enyam nyina ne betia bumudi oye dan am pray for on be sort mo relax ko wo akogina giare ye ma income tax man say na gridia unti ade na se do ma sabese na NCA die abrante na charge on the bonus radio gold on okotum na kwa mementi ya Jimmy glass ma ejuma bia me na adwa me gena ma jame
say research crowd ba say wankobi. Say
let's even agree with them so Kobe. He works under a minister. The Minister of Communication then took a decision that there are certain radio stations that go contrary to lay down rules. Or a public servant. Now onya obi ofra bonten ba o. Obi awon do NCA all his life.
I know him personally.
Kwadwati ase no akoto radio station ma ne ha ne sen.
Tinkamani ntu.
E ma ne kotu ma na say de. Unum say na me pick signal as former deputy Ashanti regional minister. Andy. Apana na boy. Unso be the CEO for Forest Commission.
Yeah.
Unum so ye Kaya 77 under the MPP no director of training schools. Former Bernadette Macheke. The deputy Ashanti regional minister na budget to Andy Okra. Oye 77 no ye more Forest Commission.
Yeah.
So ye didn't Forest Commission CEO. Can you say because why deputy minister under the NDC government to deserve it and answer them? Let's stop these things. Nipa no ye na djuma na say nipa no kwese ebo na baso because so you be a show say onye coward do say be a certain affinity toward the NDC but cause on control radio gold so make the bone no okoto mu that is that mean who problem e wo mu enti wo akwa dem je fancy e ma na akoya na. Let's stop these things. Obia benya ne level. Let's stop these things and allow the man to operate. Na am say nyomu ye ene ye to aba NDC nya 57% no omunya. Nyomu ye and o ma start. O kan 10 years how maame ya no yate abre. Time will always vindicate the position. And as some people for nutie no am tie uni parking in Japan. Ono new kosi pa kasa the same thing. Just in code and your kind. They say as the minister down to a video no ma download ya. Obi akwa no abokakra, we kwa no abokakra. Obeka omuntie, ombediatem. But constant figure is that the Nhyira FM will be constant. The recording will be public. Your comment will be public. And then people don't even comment to you. So the arrogance, we the watchers, will be here. That's it.
Nana,